This will be a quick presentation about interactive activities you can use in workshops and presentations. There are three main kinds of activities you can use: icebreakers, energizers, and team builders. First are icebreakers. These are introduction activities that you'd use at the beginning of your presentation. These are really good for breaking the ice amongst a group of people who might not know each other or they don't yet feel comfortable participating. Some good examples are human bingo or two truths and a lie. Another thing icebreakers are good for is introducing a topic or gauging what the audience knows about the subject before you're about to present. Next are energizers. Energizers are activities that are done between sections. These are usually more physically interactive and used to keep audiences engaged. These are also good for continuing rapport building amongst your group. They're usually good after lectures or to break longer lectures into chunks. These can be done spontaneously if you feel like the audience is losing energy or losing attention. These can also be activities related to what was presented or just a fun way to reinvigorate the group. The last category is team builders. These are activities that put participants into teams. They're required to use teamwork in order to solve some sort of problem or win a game, so they can be more competitive than usual. These are used to create a sense of team building and camaraderie amongst a group. These are good in retreats where participants will be together for longer periods than usual. They can also be tied to topics such as leadership, motivation, and collaboration. Here are a few tips you can use. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. There's tons of resources online that are easy to find good icebreakers, team builders, or energizers. Make sure to also be energetic about the activity so that your students or participants will also be energetic. Try to mix up your activities as well, just so you don't get repetitive. Make sure they understand how to participate the game as well. Do so by explaining or demonstrating it. Also, be mindful of time and be mindful of students that might have concerns regarding mobility or disabilities.